If only the entire world knows that this is a huge wayang by the Arab countries, including Iran. Iran did not want to wage a full-scale war, but just to send a message to Israel not to F around with them, to show what their capabilities are and what they can do. Now, if they were to damage Israel so bad, then Israel got no choice but to go to war. It is total escalation. Iran doesn't want that as well, because Iran is also building their country. They want prosperity and harmony. Now, in a war, whether they win or lose, everybody loses, especially if it goes into nuclear. So therefore, they announced to US, to UK, to Europe, to Israel 9 hours before the attack. And therefore, the whole world knows, including the Arab countries also knows. All the Arab countries tahu. So now, when they launched also about 200 kilometers an hour punya drones only. So therefore, the Iron Dome responded, the British, and of course, Britain dengan US wanted to check lah whether there is allegiance by the Arab countries or not. So they asked, boleh pakai tak USP? They say, boleh, can. Now, because they had all the time, they got 9 hours. So therefore, they can ask for permission, they can get help. Literally, Iran wanted the attack to fail 90%, some reach, to show that, despite giving advance notice, despite countries assisting, Arab countries assisting, Muslim countries assisting, yet some can reach, and they are not using their full-scale arsenal yet. Now, that may or may not give Israel a false sense of security. But America, Europe knows exactly what this whole deal is, and they don't want to mess, and therefore they want to de-escalate. If nothing else, they will at least suffer if the fuel prices shoots up. Now, consider this scenario. Now, if they mess around, if Israel mess around, Israel attacks Iran out of scale. Now, if Iran has to respond, the next response, do you think it will come with a 9-hour notice? Do you think Iran will not use their hypersonic missiles that can travel at Mach 29? Don't you think they will not operate in a more stealth manner with the element of surprise, probably 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning, and they don't announce? Kalau tak announce with the hypersonic missile, even if the Arab countries agree to assist, they can't even scramble their jets or their drones on time to intercept whatever that's coming. There is no preparation for US, UK. Those hypersonic missiles can likewise, similar time, goes towards UK and US punya carriers around the region. So this can happen, and this will be really bad. It will be an all-out war. So whatever assistance Jordan or whatever countries, Arab countries assisted, it is only because of the grace of the 9-hour notice given by Iran that they will be attacking Israel. What time, where exactly? So that's the grace of Iran, deliberately done. Now, the next round, there will not be such a grace. There will not be a notice. There will not be a position that will be announced. You guess, and you can just be waiting like a sitting duck. When it arrives, it arrives. There's no time to get Jordan or any other Arab country to assist. US and UK pun tak boleh nak respond on time, leave alone Israel. Their dome, Iron Dome, will be overwhelmed again. It will probably come again. Drones datang, overwhelm semua. Baru ni 3 wave. What makes you think it will not be 10 wave lepas ni? And with even supersonic, hypersonic missiles coming as the 5th or 6th waves. What makes you think it will come only from 5 countries? They can station more. So, Israel can just be sitting ducks. Jadi, the fact that for now, all the Arab countries take lah, Jordan assist, all the Arab countries assist, so therefore they are not enemies kan. So everything macam harmless. It's just enough to illustrate, to show the strength of what Iran can do. That's all. The Arab countries cooperated to just show what Iran can do. And they were required to stop some of Iranian punya missiles in order so that the collateral damage is not too huge. So that message is sent, but it doesn't culminate into a full-scale war. That is the wayang sebenarnya.
Write your opinion in the comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.